Life, not so easy. But what is the way out? Facing a lot of difficulties. और जब प्रॉब्लम आती है ना, तो कोई एक पर्टिकुलर साइड से नहीं आती, चारों तरफ से आती है. एंड यू फील सो सैड, यू फील सो ट्रैप्ड कि भगवान मेरे साथ ही ऐसे क्यों करता है. यू विल बी वीक इमोशनली, यू वुड नॉट हैव फ्रेंड्स, यू वुड नॉट हैव फैमिली, यू वुड हैव बी स्ट्रगलिंग विद द फिनेंसेस, आपका करियर अच्छा नहीं होगा, आपका सोशल लाइफ खराब हो जाएगा. अब सारे चीज़ें एक साथ होती है. एंड इट्स आई एम टेलिंग यू विथ माई एक्सपीरियंस, इट्स टेरिबल. बहुत लोग ये सब चीज को सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाते, लोग सर्वाइवल मोड में चले जाते. बट दिस इज नॉट द वे आउट. अगर ये तरीका है that you can escape from the problem and things will be fine, no, it will remain as it is. Having said that, what is necessary? Just to first look into the problem. What is the problem and why it is so? Why you are facing? Don't thinking it as a problem. Start thinking it as a challenge. And trust me, things will change. Because you need to understand that each one of us, everything around us is made of energy. The kind of energy that we vibrate on will result on that kind of energy will attract. Suppose if you have a problem, if you have gone through a financial loss, if you keep on thinking, with your past experiences, oh my God, why this happened to me? Oh my God, how will I heal from it? Oh my God, what will happen tomorrow? You keep on thinking, and overthinking. What is happening? Are things changing for you? No. Rather, even the God and the energies around feel like, okay, she's so shallow, she attracts this kind of energy. What is the result? Rather, what you need to do is, okay, I understand the situation that, okay, this and so is the scenario I'm going through. I have to come out of it. What is the way out? I cannot remain like this. I have to change my path. I have to come out with flying colors. And the moment you start thinking this way, you'll figure out the vibrations around you has suddenly changed and increased. You are flying on a higher vibrations now. You're attracting the positive energy. And then you start thinking, ये चीजें कैसे बदलेंगी? Suppose if you're planning to start a channel on YouTube, आपने 200 बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे, उन्होंने समझाया कि ये टैग लगा दो, वो टैग लगा दो. आपने यूट्यूब पे वीडियो देखे, उनका अरे ये ऐसा कुछ भी वीडियो नहीं है, बट इस पे इतने सारे लाइक्स हैं, लेट मी ट्राई इट ऑल, इट विल हैपन विद मी ऑल्सो. थिंग्स वैसे नहीं होते. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, एनीथिंग दैट यू थिंक ये शॉर्टकट है, आई विल हील फ्रॉम दिस पेन, नो. आपका इंटेंशन सही होना चाहिए, आपकी एनर्जी सही होनी चाहिए. यू शुड think on a larger perspective. So suppose if you want to travel once on a business class flight, I would suggest you don't fly, because once के लिए it is something that will not be comfortable for you. Think about doing it lifelong, and if you try inculcating that intention, दैट एनर्जी, थिंकिंग ऑफ इट, लोग कहते हैं कि आप मैनिफेस्ट करो, थिंग्स विल टर्न आउट, एंड यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट, बट रिजल्ट्स आर नॉट दैट वे, एंड देन यू डिसाइड, अरे यार ये सब बेकार है. नो, इट्स नॉट दैट सो. द रियल रीजन बिहाइंड इज that, okay, you have been taught कि if you think about certain thing in a certain way, you'll end up receiving it. That's true. But the problem here it is your conscious mind that hardly works for 10%, and at the behind you have your subconscious mind which keeps on telling you about your past. अरे यार ये होगा थोड़ी, अरे यार ये संभव थोड़ी है, no, this is not for me, I cannot do this, what will if I fail? Okay, why to think about certain things that you don't want? If you don't want it, how will it happen to you? Think positively, figure out. And it's very important, every time when you go negative, start thinking it again. No, cancel, I don't want this. Start thinking it positively. And if you start thinking positively, you'll put more and more effort, and that will end up you achieving the goal that you're looking forward to. चाहे कितने भी sessions join कर लो, कितने भी classes join कर लो, but if you are not fixed here, nothing will work. चाहे आप कितने बड़े से बड़े manifestation वालों से आप जिससे भी डिस्कशन कर लो, उनसे सेशंस ले लो, यू बाय एवरीथिंग, बट इफ यू वांट टू रियली वर्क अपॉन, इफ यू वांट द रिजल्ट, you have to be mentally strong, you have to prevail the situation, you have to meditate, you have to think about it, you have to accept it in your body that this is my energy and I will vibrate on this particular frequency only. आप imagine करो if you want to hear 98.5 and you tune your radio to 100.3, क्या आप 98.5 आप सुन पाओगे? No, that will not happen. So it's very important to tune on the frequency you want your life to be at. Of course, life has their highs and lows, but the art is turn your lows to your highs, and that gives you a superpower energy. And it is for all the individuals, especially the women out there. Stop under introspecting yourself and lowering your self-esteem that I cannot do it. Dear, you are the creator. You have immense power energy of which you are unknown. You're giving birth to a life and then you're saying you cannot do it. Dear, you are the only one who can do it. These males have been brought in the world via you. Stop thinking कि यार ये मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. No. If you think this way, you'll go in your pains, you'll go in your problems more and more and more and more. If you really want to succeed, start thinking positive. अच्छा, अरे ये कर लेंगे, फिर मेरी चीजें ये हो जाएंगी. And if you think high, just not being a selfish one. Suppose if I say I want to make 3 lakhs rupees a month, something over the line. कि मैं अगर ये 3 लाख कमाऊंगी, I will fulfill my debt. I will do so and so. I'll go यहाँ पे. I will travel so. I'll have so many holiday trips. I will have a nice house. I have all comfort and age. But what next? So the goal should be just not to help yourself, but yes, the other people out there. The reason why I'm here to make this video to help out the other women who are striving with the same situation, thinking, introspecting, self स्टीम को लो करना, अपने आप को हर समय शक करना, अपने आप को लो फील कराना. Stop doing it right now, right here. Things are not the way you are thinking. Things are way different. Just change your thinking and I promise you, I assure you, the things will change for you. You'll feel very good. You'll feel energetic. You'll feel like doing everything out there. And then you'll figure out your time within that 24 hours, which you were not able to figure out before. Try doing, and there's no work which is small. You can make millions and billions from a very small work also. But what is that? You need to have a clear intention. You need to go in a very step-by-step method process. You need to be dedicated. You need to be consistent towards your goal and the results will come to you. If you liked my video, if you want more deep thought about it, you can message me. I'll answer to you. You can comment below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for further more videos.